to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, if 2 to the power x over 1 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 315, we are to find 64 raised to the power x over 1 plus 64 raised to the power x. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. We can start by, see, we have 2 raised to the power x. Let's a be equal to 2 raised to the power x. In that case, we are going to have a over 1 plus a is equal to 3 on 5. We then cross multiply. So this implies that 5a will be equal to 3 times 1 plus a. Now, let's open the bracket. So 5a will be equal to 3 plus 3a. Then group the like terms. So 5a minus 3a will be equal to 3. So this is 2a, which is equal to 3. We then divide both sides by 2. So a is equal to 3 on 2. We then come to 64 to the power x over 1 plus 64 to the power x. So let's see if you can express this in terms of what was given. Now, 64, okay, let's go to the next page. 64 can be written as 2 raised to the power 6. So therefore, 64 to the power x over 1 plus 64 to the power x can be written as 2 raised to the power 6 all raised to the power x over 1 plus 2 raised to the power 6 all raised to the power x. Okay, from indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power n all raised to the power m. So this becomes 2 raised to the power x all raised to the power 6 over 1 plus 2 raised to the power x all raised to the power 6. Remember, we had a 2 raised to the power x being 3 on 2. So if that is the case, then this becomes 3 on 2 all raised to the power 6 over 1 plus 3 on 2 all raised to the power 6. Once again, from indices, a over b all raised to the power m the same as a raised to the power m over b raised to the power m. So 3 on 2 raised to the power 6 over 1 plus 3 on 2 raised to the power 6 becomes, this will be 3 raised to the power 6 or 2 raised to the power 6 all over 1 plus 3 raised to the power 6 or 2 raised to the power 6. And this is equal to 3 raised to the power 6 is 729. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64 over 1 plus, the same thing will happen here, 729 over 64. Now we want to simplify the denominator. When we do that, when we simplify this, that will be 64 plus 729 over 64, and this will be this 80. So you have 793 over 64. So this is the same as 729 over 64 divided by 793 over 64. Now we can continue from here. Now since we are dividing, we can flip 729 over 64 times, then we flip this one, 64 over 793. So this will cancel that, so that we have 729 over 793. That is our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for your time. Very grateful. If you still have not subscribed or you like my videos, kindly click on the subscribe button for more. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.